Hi, welcome. Simon here. In this video, I'll be replacing HP laptop battery. I'll be doing it from start to finish, and I'd like to explain to you my symptoms. Here on the trackpad, I'm not able to click on it, meaning that my left click is really hard to press on it, and I don't feel the clicker that actually bounces off. And around this corner right here, I can feel like the laptop is somewhat hard, meaning that the battery may have been swollen from the inside. So when the battery is swollen from the inside, it pushes out the clicker. It pushes out this entire corner right here. I'm having a hard time to do a left click. So that is one of the symptoms. The second thing is that the battery is not holding the charge. So at the bottom right corner, when I look at the battery status, it always stays at 55% battery charge. Even I have the charger plugged in for over 8 hours, like 6 hours, and the thing is still shows 55% charge. So that tells me that the battery is not holding the charge. And let's go ahead and start replacing the battery. Now, of course, this laptop here is over 4 years old, which I expect the battery is no longer holding much of the charge. And this is very common for all computers that is older than 4 years old. All right, so the HP model for this is 15, I think it's CS2073CL. It is super fine print, super hard to read. I think that is what it is. 15CS, that's the model. I'll be using a Phillips screwdriver. Have to remove 2 of the screws here in the top right corner. There's only 1 on the top left corner. And there are 3 at the very bottom. And I have to use a smaller screwdriver for that because the Phillips seems to be a smaller Phillips. Let me find a smaller Phillips if I have it. I think this is the one. Let's give that a try. Okay. The next step is to go ahead and open up the back cover. I'm trying to stick it in between the plastic right here and try to open it up. Once you have a little opening, I like to use a plastic instead of the metal, just because I do not want to make a scratch or any damage to the motherboard. All right, as I was expected that the battery is swollen. If you take a look at the bottom right corner here, you can feel like the battery has a lump on it. Obviously, let's do a comparison side by side. You can see that the new battery is flat and the used battery here is lumped. All right, so let's take it out using a Phillips screwdriver. And of course, this is the reason why you do not want to leave the charger plug into the laptop 24/7. This is what happened when you have the charger plugged in at 24/7. It overcharges the battery, therefore the battery looks swollen right here. So even in the back, you can see that there's a lump on all 3 packets. It's a bulging. Okay, and it's kind of hard versus the flat here. Now, what I'll do is I'll link it down in the description below where you can go to Amazon or eBay, find a replacement battery, and hopefully my video helps you to change it out. Okay. Here is where you want to get a toothbrush. Go ahead and brush off some of the dust that is accumulated right around the fan. You want to have the good ventilation to exhaust the heat out. So this is where you want to get a brush and just brush it off. So for me, my fan looks pretty good, except the one on the right side here. But it's still good for being that age. Okay, the next step is to just install back the back cover, finish up the screws, and that should be it. Nothing really difficult, so you can see that the process take probably 5-7 minutes to do an entire process. It's just very straightforward. The clipper all around the corner, I know that it's kind of scary, that when you press it down, all the clicking sound, it doesn't sound nice, sounds like breaking apart, but that is normal because the clipper has to clip it back together. Okay. So there are 3 screws here on the top and 3 more screws here at the bottom. I hope this video is helpful, and if you do find the video is helpful, please go ahead and click on smash the like button for me. I really appreciate for liking the video, and of course please subscribe to the channel, that really helps, and comment down below if you have any questions or visit the website. Okay, thanks for watching. Until next time, take care and bye now.